Hazel, what do you think about the beef stew?
And the honey next to it.
Pierce do a good job.
Yeah.
He's a good cook, huh? You like it, Benny?
Mm-hmm.
Pierce?
Mm-hmm.
Tacos? Not sure. He's not tried it. Violet?
I didn't try it.
You haven't tried it yet? Here, let's see you try it. Give it a taste. It's a little hot, so blow on it.
Blow it on. No.
You might need to get a little closer to it. There you go. Get a little bite. Just a little one.
Pierce, you want honey?
Oh, yeah. And
Rocco.
then we got some
Yes.
corn muffins. Which, Rocco, what do you like to put on your corn muffins?
Honey.
Honey. And then some oranges.
I know what I like to put on my
Is it good, Benny?
I know what I like to put on.
What do you like to put on?
I like to put on one with two, like jelly on this one.
Jelly on it. Oh, that's a good one. We're sharing it with Mama and Pappy.
Yum, yum.
Mmm. To see what Mama thinks. Take test. See what kind of cook Pierce is.
See if he passes the test.
No.
She already knows it's good.
Mmm. It is good.
Really good.
Nice on a cold day. I like to put my corn muffin in my beef stew.
Do you know why your
Honey.
lesson in your mind?
Why am what in my mind? Honey.
Your lesson and do your mind.
I'm gonna put it on your toast.
Keep your hands to your side.
Somebody down there wearing
That's a good looking smile there.
wow.
Yeah, a little bit.
Hey, what happened?
Rocco, now that you tried it. Pierce is a pretty good cook, huh?
Look at Violet's smile.
What are you gonna make for us, Rocco? It's your turn. Nachos?
Sure.
We have nachos this week.
Now between LSU and Yale.
Guess who I'm picking?
Who?
LSU.
Okay, but LSU, right? That's what I'm talking about.
Pierce, who's gonna win?
Duke.
Dude's gonna win it all. Who's gonna win it all, Rocco?
Okay.
I don't know.
You don't know yet?
I haven't got down to all the teams yet. So I
Gotcha.
don't really know.
Happy, who do you think's gonna win?
Probably Duke.
Probably Duke. I'm pretty sure Duke because I have Duke winning 3 games right now. I have Duke winning 4 right now. Hopefully Gonzalez or Duke. I don't know. That's gonna be a hard one. Let me see here. I'm NKY.
NKU?
AKU. Yeah.
Doing what?
Beating number 2 Michigan.
Going for an upset.
Alright.
With the Michigan thing? No, I'm going Michigan. Because
Who do you think's gonna win it all, Dad?
now to put Duke here, Dad.
Duke's gonna be hard to beat.
Dad,
Ryan
Duke
Williams.
and
If you don't
Gonzaga.
get hurt, I think they're gonna be hard to beat. Alright, now you gotta start on the other side.
Oh, I'm enjoying this.
Yeah.
You gotta pick.
UC number 7, Iowa number 10. Number 2, Tennessee, or toothpaste number 15.
Silk.
Huh?
Silk. It is funny, toothpaste.
That's Colgate,
Well,
so.
first pick, who'd you pick between St. John's and Arizona, didn't you?
Yeah, I think it
North Carolina number 1, or Iona number 16.
One.
Oh, Boone's got this figured out. Just goes with the lower number.
That's right.
I picked KY beating Duke.
KY. Oh yeah.
Kentucky, let's go.
You bleed blue, huh?
Yep. I believe this team is better than Virginia.
Who do you have winning it
I
all?
got Duke beaten. Gonzaga, I don't know.
Yeah, Gonzaga.
Yeah.
Good.
All right, so we got Duke.
We have a little debate going on here.
Duke and Gonzaga. She put already, and there hadn't been the first tip-off. We're already wrestling around about this.
Booney?
A frog on stickers.
A sticker frog. That's pretty cool. See, it's got numbers on the frog. And you find the numbers over here at the sticker.
Look how
Give a sticker
I'll
off.
demonstrate. Look.
Demonstrate.
So, look, this is 15. So I'll get 15. So I'll find 15 on here.
Okay. So it's kind of like fine motor skills, working on your numbers. It's like a puzzle. It's art. It's all kind of.
And it's like that coloring app you can get on your phones and stuff.
Oh yeah, that you love.
Yeah.
Boone's our artiste. He loves doing art.
She doesn't say it right. I'm an artist.
Oh, that's right. Sorry. So he loves this little. Where's the book? So it's this paint by sticker for kids. So there's different. This is the zoo animals, but they had other like flowers.
Okay,
And,
I'll show you something, guys. So I didn't do this one because I gave it to my friend.
oh, that was very kind.
And
done-
I'm not finishing this one. It's just I don't want to because
Snake,
it's hard, like really hard.
and then
I finished this one.
you did the lion.
Yeah, and I'm working on this.
You work on, and some of these are very tiny stickers right here, so he needed my help to pull them off and put them on.
These
just,
ones.
just around the eye here, just a few. But other than that, he's done it, and it's gonna look awesome.
She took a
And he's
picture
got a
of it.
nice view out the window here of the farm while he's
Guys, I want
working.
to show you something. She took a picture of it blank, and then she's gonna take a picture of it
Done,
not blank.
done, completed.
Yeah.
Okay. Rocco, what are they doing?
Building a barn.
Huh?
Building a barn.
Look at me, tell me.
Building a barn.
Look, building a barn. Takes. Pretend they're working. And what are you doing, Violet?
She's digging for treasure.
Oh. Did you find any? Who's your buddy? Tucker T. He's working too, huh? Supervising. Changing of the guards. Huh?
I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything? Look like you about fell asleep up there. Did you almost fall asleep? Yeah, that's what it looked like.